Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to install apps without Apple ID password. For example, if you want to install apps from the App Store and it always asks you the password when you try to install the app from the App Store. So how you can fix that, which means if you want to download the apps from the App Store without Apple ID password, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And for this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi or internet connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to screen time, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of content and privacy restriction. And here what you have to do, you have to make sure that this toggle is turned off. But if it is turned on, then you have to make sure that you have allowed iTunes and App Store purchases. So here you have to click on that, and after that you have to make sure that you have click on allow in all these options, which means you have allowed the installing apps from the App Store and deleting apps and in-app purchases. Moreover, you can also click on require password, and you have to click on don't require. So you have to click on that, and after that if you go to App Store again and try to install any app from the App Store, then it will not ask the password. But moreover, you can also set the Face ID for your password, which means you do not have to put your password and your Face ID is necessary. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to Face ID and passcode, and after that you have to change all the settings for that. As you can see, here is written iTunes and App Store, which means if you want to purchase anything from the App Store and app purchases, they will ask you about the Face ID, and they will use your Face ID as your password. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.